how do you reply to a text message on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If this is your first time in here on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more tips and quick videos like this one. So whenever you have your watch on the wrist and receive a text notification, then you can see probably see the preview of the message right away. But yeah, you can either tap on it to open up the full messages app where you can text fully on the watch, but you should also see the quick reply button whenever you receive a notification, right? So it doesn't even require you to go to the app right away. You can just click on reply and see the option to send a message back, and you should be able to see some of the prepared options. I mean by that, these quick responses like okay, or I'm on my way, or something like that. But you can as well just type in something on your own. So you will have the ability to use any of the input methods which are available on the watch, which includes the keyboard input, dictation, as well as scribble. So these are all different ways to input text, and different people prefer different options. Of course, I'm personally the biggest fan of either the keyboard or the dictation. Scribble is taking a little bit too long for me, but some people most definitely like it. So that's how you can, of course, reply, send the message back. But as I said, even if you dismiss the notification, you can always come back to the main messages app of the watch and find the chat, find the thread, click on the text field and type in your reply there, no problem. And that's how it works. Of course, it's probably going to be iMessage, so you can as well just hold down on the message and reply within reaction. So that's something you can do too. But yeah, let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials as well.